In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wireframe in Figma using a very simple clickable example that is perfect for beginners. If you are just getting started with Figma and want to understand how wireframes work, this tutorial will help you build a basic two-screen prototype step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create frames, add text, and connect them with prototype interactions so you can click from one screen to another. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Figma and create a new file if you haven't already. Once you're inside the canvas, the first thing we need to do is create two frames next to each other. Frames are the foundation of any wireframe in Figma because they represent the different screens or pages in your design. So select the frame tool and draw your first frame. Then create a second frame and place it right beside the first one so you can easily work between them. Now that you have both frames on the canvas, we're going to add some simple text. Click into the first frame, choose the text tool, and type "press this." This is going to be the clickable text that sends the user to the next screen. Keep it simple because in wireframing, the goal is usually to focus on structure and flow rather than visual design. Next, move over to the second frame. Again, choose the text tool and type "get here." This will act like the destination text or the next screen in our wireframe. Then, still inside the second frame, go down to the bottom area of that frame, choose the text tool one more time, and type "go back." This will become the button or text link that sends the user back to the first frame. Now comes the most important part, which is connecting the frames together using Figma's prototype feature. Select the "press this" text box in the first frame. Then look over to the right panel and switch to the prototype tab. This is where you add interactions that make your wireframe clickable. With the text selected, add an interaction and set the destination to the second frame. Make sure the trigger is set to on click because that means when someone clicks on "press this", Figma will take them to the second screen. After that, select the "go back" text box in the second frame. Go back to the right panel, stay in the prototype tab, and add another interaction. This time, connect it back to the first frame. Again, use the on click trigger so that when someone clicks "go back", they are returned to the first screen. And that's it. You've now created a very basic wireframe in Figma with two connected frames. This is a simple but powerful example of how prototypes work, because when you click "press this", you'll be taken to the second frame, and when you click "go back", you'll return to the first frame. This is exactly how wireframes help you plan user flows before building a full design. If you want, you can expand this idea by adding more frames, more buttons, more text, or even full navigation between screens. The more you practice with these basic prototype connections, the easier it becomes to design app flows, website mockups, and interactive wireframes in Figma. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Figma tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.